Hi all, I am Ashvi. Today we discuss a topic about tips for writing fiction. Writing fiction is not as hard as it seems. To overcome, follow these simple tips. First tip is love your story. You might have a list of story ideas waiting to be fleshed out, but there is likely one you're most passionate about. Start with the story. Many authors do their best writing when they are deeply invested in their characters and plot. Second one is withhold information from your readers. When writing fiction, only give readers the information they needed to know at the moment. The supporting details like backstory should remain unseen, just like the mass of an iceberg under the water surface. This prevents readers from getting overwhelmed with information and lets them use their imagination to fill the blanks. Third one is write simple sentences. Think of Shakespeare's line, to be or not to be, famous for its brevity and the way it quickly describes a character's toiling over their own life. There's a time and place for bigger words and denser text, but you can get story points across in simple sentences and language. Try using sufficient language when writing so that every word and sentences has clear purpose. Fourth one is mix up your writings. To become a better writer, try different types of writing. If you are a novelist, take a stab at a story. If you are writing fiction, try writing non fictions. Try a more casual writing style by blogging. Each piece of writing has a different point of view and different styles. It will help your overall writing skills. Sixth one is write every day. Great writers have a regular writing habit. That means dedicating time every day to the craft of writing. Some writers assign themselves a daily word count. You might also join a writing group. Being accountable to the other people is a great motivator. Don't worry if what you jot down is technically bad writing or you struggle to get something on a blank page. Some days will be more productive than others. The more you write, the easier it gets. Next one is set milestones. The average word count for a book is 75,000 words. If you are working on your first novel, stay motivated by setting milestones. This will help you break the book down mentally so it's the easier to manage and easier to stick with. Next one is learn strong character development techniques. There are effective ways to create a character arc in literature. Learn what character information to reveal to increase tension in your story. Your main characters should have a backstory that informs their actions, motivations, and goals. Determine what point of view, first person or third person, complements the character's interpretation of events. Next one is use the active voice. Your goal as an author is to write a page tuner, a book that keeps readers engaged from start to finish. Use the active voice in your stories. Sentences should be generally follow the basic structure of noun, verb, objective. While passive voice isn't always a bad thing, limit in your fiction writing. Next one is write now, edit later. Young writers and aspiring writers might be tempted to spend a lot of time editing and writing as they type. Resist that temptation. Practice free writing, a creative writing technique that encourages writers to be let their ideas flow uninterrupted. Set a specific time to edit. Next one is get feedback. It can be hard to critique your own writing. When you have finished a piece of work or writing or a first draft, give it to someone to read. Ask for honest and specific feedback. This is a good way to learn what works and what doesn't. At last, think about publishing. Few authors write just for themselves. Envision where you want a story to be published. If you have a short story, think about submitting to the literary magazines. If you have a novel, you can send it to literary agents and publishing house. I hope this discussion will be helpful to you. Follow Lawn Thread Books to learn more about reading, writing, and publishing. Thank you.